Hi, welcome back. Coming to the eighth assignment of privacy and security in online social media. And here we know that we are having 10 questions. Coming to the first question, what are the different approaches to profile linking? A and B are the correct answers. You can, so they had given some check boxes. And coming to the second question, which of the following statements true regarding the username change on social media? Only S1 and S4 are correct. Coming to the third question, below the graph of username change, which of the following correct inference from the graph? Around 35% of the users change their profile picture at least 3 times. That is question option A. Why do Whisper users have a long clustering coefficient over the network? Whisper users are likely to interact with the complete strangers who are highly unlikely to interact with each other. What is the primary purpose of Gephi software? Network visualization and analysis. Why studying username change behavior is useful for social media researchers? Here the four options are right options. Coming to the seventh question in the network graph of Twitter, where nodes are users, the degree of the node would be the number of followers on Twitter. Which of the following are anonymous social networks? Secret, ACAC, blind. So the checkboxes are given and the three options are right options. A scale-free network can be one having power law degree distribution. Coming to the 10th question, they had given some situation for this. The option is B. Few individuals have exceptionally high friends count that skew the average upward. So again, we have 4 more assignments because it is a 12-week assignments. And don't neglect the remaining 4 assignments also, because NPTEL considers the best 8 assignments out of 12 assignments. So if you have better performance in the remaining 4 assignments, those will be considered. If you have good internal marks, if you don't score much in the externals also, you'll get a good certificate like elite plus silver. So thank you so much.